Hello everyone, I'm Urooj Fatima and today I'll be covering the topic Finite Automata. Finite Automata is a machine or an abstract model which is used to recognize certain patterns in input sequences to represent a language in a simplified version. So there are various diversified languages, ways to represent them. Finite automata is a machine that represents these languages in a very simple and uh, direct manner. A finite automata consists of these five tuples: capital Q, sigma, delta, Q naught, and capital F. Now let us understand each of these tuples one by one. So capital Q is the set of all the finite states that exist. Sigma is the set of the input symbols that we use in these states. So we could either take alphabets, letters A, B, or something, or 0 or 1. Anything that we're choosing for our input symbols is contained in sigma. Now delta. Any transition that is happening from a initial or the starting point to the final point is denoted by this delta, and it denotes nothing but transition. Q naught is nothing but the starting or the initial state where we are beginning the process from. And capital F is the set of all the final and accepting states, the all the states where the states that reach to a certain final level we get the output. All those states are uh, contained in capital F. Now, since we're done with all these tuples, let us come to the types of finite automata, which are deterministic finite automata and non-deterministic finite automata. We also call them DFA and NDFA respectively in short. Now, what is deterministic finite automata? Deterministic, as the word suggests, means that there is only one way forward to do or to do anything. We have only one way or only one way forward to do that thing. And on the other hand, non-deterministic finite automata, in this we can understand that there are multiple ways or multiple choices to do a certain task. Now, let us understand both of these with the help of a daily life and a very basic relatable example. Let us assume that Q naught is our initial state and Q1 is the final state. And for our ease and for understanding it with certain ease, I am considering this Q naught, this initial state, as unemployment. So we are assuming that Q naught is unemployment, and this input symbol A is a student, unemployed student who wants to get rid of unemployment and you know achieve financial independence, but he only has one company that has offered him a job, or there is only one company he applied to, so there is only one way he can get out of the clutches of unemployment. There is no other way. So this transition of A from the unemployment, from Q naught, the initial state, to the final state, to a certain company, is an example of DFA, because there is only one way forward. On the other hand, let us take the example of other student B who has various examples. So he has this company Q1 to apply to, a company Q2, maybe a family business Q3, or maybe nothing. He doesn't want to do anything in life, so phi, he doesn't want to do anything, or he is in a self loop of unemployment. So there's a endless loop where he's trapped in unemployment. So there are multiple options for him or her to go for, company A, B, or this business that is there, and this phi, or he could remain in unemployment. So there are multiple ways multiple choices for him to choose and get out of an employment. So this is the example of NDFA. So this was a very basic and a relatable, a fun example which I chose to explain these topics, NDFA, NDFA. I hope I was clear enough. We would understand more of these and do certain questions in further videos. Thank you.